25 lap feature event. Look them over and give them a wave, folks. 6 mini wedges getting set to drop the hammer here for their 25 lap feature event out here at the 19th annual corn harvest. Getting ready to go green, Mason Gilbert bringing them off of turn 4. And Jaden Jones wastes no time getting out front down into turns 1 and 2. Look out. 88 machine, the 73 and the 54 all getting together. And the caution flag ready to turn them loose one more time. And this time it's Jaden Jones going around in the number 27. And still no caution flag. Oh, tough break for Jaden Jones. He's going to have to wait for the next caution to catch back up. And Drew Bogart leading that 5-car freight train down the back straightaway. And Mason Gilbert looping around to 73. And caution going to fly. Gilbert sitting there sideways, midway. And that's quite ready to go green, it looks like. Beat this another second. That'll put Schmitz to his inside to 56. 2 in, 23 to go. Green flag back up in the air. And Brent pulling up wheel to wheel for the lead. Can't make the pass. And Bogart back out front. Brent looping around the 4-car. And caution. And green flag back up in the air. And it's Bogart, Gilbert, and Jaden Jones. And Gilbert, Bogart, over the outside of turns 1 and 2. Schmitz dropping back to 4th. Jaden Jones up to 3rd. Andrew Bogart leading them down the back straightaway. Brent Watts 2nd on the purple number 4. And got one down around in 1 and 2. Caution flag up in the air. 7 Emmett, 7 problems. Andrew Bogart leads them back to the green. Brent's going to try it one more time, getting down into turns 1 and 2. Can't make the pass. That's going to let Schmitz up on his inside the 56 car. Those top 3 guys wheeling her away from the rest of the field. Gilbert trying to keep up with those top 3 guys. Andrew Bogart still the leader. Brent Watts runs 2nd. Cochran Schmitz 3rd. Mason Gilbert 4th. Jaden Jones 5th. Takes a little Northcott from the number 88. And caution flag gonna fly. Chassis builders for these mini wedge division cars. Back to green, Bogart leading them back around 1 and 2. Brent still trying to get around him at that purple number 4. Cochran Schmitz taking a peek to the inside of Brent down in turn number 3. Can't make the pass, he'll follow him back down the front straightaway. Bogart needs another lap in the 54. Cochran Schmitz still trying to figure out a way around the inside of Brent Watts in that purple number 4. As the top 3 guys pulling away once again. Mason Gilbert able to stick with him a little bit this time around, that yellow and orange number 73. Devin Emmett now getting overtaken by the number 54. And caution flag gonna fly. Looking to the inside once again in the 56 car. As Nemitz goes around to 3 and 4.
Come on down.
And the green flag still out, I believe. Look, red telling him slow down.
I know.
And the green flag back up in the air. Andrew Bogart leads them back into 1 and 2. Cochran Schmitz now up alongside Brent Watts. They'll run wheel to wheel for second into turns 3 and 4. As Brent tries to get back to the inside. And he'll drop in line for third. Cochran Schmitz now second. Trying to reel in Bogart, the race leader. Caution flag out on the speedway. Bogart leading them down the back straightaway. At the nose off one of the cars, looks like off the 88 machine. Again, big thanks to Montgomery Racing, sponsoring the Champions Coke for the Mini Wedge feature event winners. Main Gene also kicking in a motor, and Tom Benson Remax out of St. John's, Michigan, as always, providing the trophies out here for us at the annual corn harvest. 24 in, 1 to go. Andrew Bogart leading the way. Here we go. They'll lead them down the front straightaway, back into turns 1 and 2. Brent's got one last shot, gonna have to hustle. Andrew Bogart picks up feature number 1. Brent Watch finishes second. Cochran Schmitz third. Gilbert fourth. And Nemitz comes across the line in fifth.
A lot better. More room once it gets wound up. Stays going. Short stuff. Got slow down.
And making his way down to the 19th annual corn harvest, Victor